Welcome to Session 4. Absolute value is not a command to erase a negative sign. It is a measurement of distance. Because distance cannot be negative, absolute value answers are 0 or positive. Today you will find distance from 0, calculate distance between two signed values, solve a simple absolute value equation, recognize an impossible equation, and use distance to compare temperatures. Absolute value bars can be read as distance from 0. -7 is 7 units left of 0, so the absolute value of -7 is 7. +7 is 7 units right of 0, so its absolute value is also 7. Positions are opposites, but the distances match. In symbols, absolute value of -7 equals 7, and absolute value of 7 equals 7. The result describes magnitude, not direction. Find the distance from -4 to 9. Step 1. Use the distance formula, absolute value of the second number minus the first. Write absolute value of 9 minus -4. Step 2. Subtracting a negative becomes addition, so 9 minus -4 equals 13. Step 3. Take the absolute value of 13, which is 13. Check on the number line. 4 units from -4 to 0 plus 9 more to 9 gives 13 units. Solve absolute value of x equals 6. Translate the equation. Which positions are 6 units from 0? Step 1. Move 6 units right to +6. Step 2. Move 6 units left to -6. Both positions have distance 6. Therefore, the equation has two solutions, x equals 6 or x equals -6. Whenever a positive distance is given, check both sides of 0. Now consider absolute value of x equals -6. Translate it as distance from 0 equals -6. That is impossible because distance cannot be negative. No point on the number line is -6 units away from 0. Therefore, the equation has no solution. This is different from x equals -6, which is a valid position. The absolute value result, not the input, is what cannot be negative. At sunrise, the temperature is -6 degrees. By noon, it is +2 degrees. How much did the temperature change? Step 1. Write the distance between the readings. Absolute value of 2 minus -6. Step 2. Simplify inside the bars. 2 minus -6 equals 8. Step 3. Absolute value of 8 is 8. The temperature changed by 8 degrees. Distance gives a non-negative amount of change. Let's recap. Absolute value means distance from 0. Distance between A and B is absolute value of A minus B in either order. A positive absolute value equation usually has two opposite solutions, while a negative result is impossible. For a quick check, the distance between -3 and 5 is 8. Keep learning at bridge2exam.com. Visit www.bridgedoexam.com for the full lesson, practice questions, and instant feedback.